There's nothing nasty in that.
No.
Sunnyrox is supposed to be palatable.
Yeah.
It's baby milk.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yummy, yummy. It's the syringe she doesn't like in her mouth, that's what it is. Have a rest. You're not very warm. She says I'm just a very frail old lady.
Yeah.
I don't like it out in the cold.